Hey y'all, I hope you're having an amazing day. Come with me again for another tattoo session. This tattoo was done yesterday. And here's my setup. Shout out to all my sponsors. Here's my machine setting. I start with 3 round shader, Icarus cartridge from Wormhole Tattoo Supply. And I will switch to 3 round liner bag pin for these veins. Very thin veins. On this part, 15 round Magnum, Wormhole Pro Icarus cartridge. Then switch again to round liner, 3 round liner. My client wants the tattoo to be more fictional, more cartoonish looking. For these small details, I use 3 round liner needles, 10 gauge. Then I switch to 7 round Magnum for shading. Then 9 round shader for the horn, 9 round shader for the horns. Now I'm starting to do the highlights, 3 round shader. And here's the final result. Let me know what you think about this tattoo. Just leave a comment, hit like, DM me for bookings. Have a great weekend, y'all. Thank you.